Hak senjam ka bakam kerpang ka blasim ban peni perthei ya ka jingruk spa ka culture nolor ka riti dustur hak jela ka ri India ka lapha ya ka jingtrwa la ne ka nomination doser ya ka Jingkieng jiri sha ka UNESCO Pynrung hak thup wall heritage chongsnam arjar rio arjar nyo ya ka ne ka jingtrwa lapha lengbau vishal v sharma ambassador ubaderu permanent representative ka ri India haulazir asmo olundu director ka UNESCO World Heritage Center Vishal V Verma ulapun pau ke jingsongu yu mentirang badu kari India Narendra Modi menteri badikmi yaknat culture ke sarkar India Jitendra Singh Shekhawat mentirang ba ke celau Konrad K Sangma bad ikin nongsong snongru kumju ka jingpha yakni ke jingterwa ka pau yak jing anu jongkari India ban penne pensa yak culture pat kamariang ka beruspa jongka khamtam ikiriti dusur kiba emmat kirkom jingtep jong gijai benrio trai muluk ka Jingkieng jeri kan yeso hakathup jongkari India kisan phulai tili kijaka balabu dak UNESCO kapapan skam shushu ya kakardan jongkari kum kanong yelam hakajing penne pensa ikiriti dustur.
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng, the living root bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Konrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederic Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga kublai kripang ki nongshong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi gin priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katai ka jingi tu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng living root bridges Kiba Donha ka Jala Meghalaya. Kublai Mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Haba thin, page bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya